If you notice that the checkout button is missing on the cart page in Shopify Dawn theme, it's very much likely that the checkout button block is simply inactive within the theme settings. So in order to reinstate it, we have to log into Shopify admin account, and then select online store, locate your active theme, in my case is Dawn version 15.3.0, and then select customize. Once the editor loads, at the very top, click on homepage and then select cart. Then on the left under template, look for subtotal, just simply hover underneath and then you'll see the add block option. Let's click on it, then pick the checkout button. It should populate at the top. Let's drag it under the subtotal price. And then let's save the changes. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update. Then go back to the website, go to your cart page and then try refreshing it. And as you can see, the checkout button is now available. And finally, if you follow the steps and the issue still persists, there's most likely an issue with the actual theme code. In such case, it would require in-depth review. So as usual, I hope you found this video helpful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.